Hi Queens! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create these trendy boho braids. Use a hair rack to organize your hair extensions. Section out your hair. Keep in mind, the size of your sections will determine the thickness of your braids. You'll need this 4X double jumbo for the box braids and this boho deep bulk for the leave outs. This time, we're going to create a knot to attach the braids because the client has short hair. Use a crochet needle to run your braiding hair under the knot and another strand over the knot, then start braiding. Feed and leave outs, every 4 to 5 inches apart. Repeat until you have braided the entire head. Use hair mousse to give the finishing touches. You may use a blow dryer on a cool setting to dry the hair. We're all done. Smash that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. Goodbye.